sir, ma'am. Sensor, tai ni hao. Waterman sir, Nining Suhartini. You can call me Nining. 39 years old married. I have one child, 20 years old boy. I have experience in Singapore. 8 years from 2016 until 2024. My employer house is apartment 3 room 2 toilet. Have 2 persons and men. My job is do general housework, sweeping, mopping, washing, ironing, and cooking. I can cook Chinese food, ABC soup, steamed fish, steamed egg, omelette, porridge. I want to work in overseas because need money for my family. Now I am in the kitchen. This is plate, spoon, fork, cup, bowl, gas stove, and soup,